Hello everyone, welcome back to the Koniago channel, and today I want to show you Solidworks exercise like this. Without wasting time, let's start it. First step, go to right plan. Activate line, click this point, point right the line, point up the line, point left the line, point down the line, point right the line, point up the line. Active smart dimension, click this line and this line. Make distance 20 mm. Click this line and this line. Make distance 50 mm. Click this line and this line. Make distance 20 mm. Click this line and this line. Make distance 150 mm. Active extrude boss. Make direction mid plane. Make distance 76 mm. OK. Click this face. Click sketch. Activate center line. Click this point to this point. Activate circle. Click this point to this point. Active smart dimension. Make diameter circle is 20 mm. Click the circle and click this edge. Make distance 18 mm. Click the circle and click this center line. Make distance 19 mm. Active mirror entities. Click this circle and make center line for mirror about parameter. OK. Active extrude cut. Choose through all. OK. Click this face and click sketch. Active center line. Click this point to this point. Active circle. Click this point to this point. Active smart dimension. Click this circle. Click this edge. Make distance 16 mm. Click the circle and click the center line. Make distance 19 mm. And make circle diameter is 20 mm. OK. Active mirror. Click the circle and make center line for mirror about parameter. Active extrude cut. Choose through all. OK. And now we will make the oblique part. First step, make a new plane. Make top plane for first reference and click this edge for second reference. Choose this tool. Make tool parameter is 60 degree. Check flip offset. OK. Click this plane. Click sketch. Active center line. Click this point to this point. Active rectangle. Click this point to this point. Click this line, this center line, and click this line. Make symmetric. OK. Active smart dimension. Make this line length 44 mm. And make this line length 30 mm. Active circle. Click this point to this point. Active trim. Cut this line and this line. Active extrude boss. Choose direction to up to surface. Click this face. OK. Hide this plane. Click this face and click sketch. Active circle. Click this point to this point. My circle diameter is 18 mm. Active extrude cut. Choose through all. See, and now we will make radius in this edge. Active fillet. Click this edge and this edge. OK. Active fillet again. Make radius parameter is 3 mm. Click this edge, and this edge. OK. See, the part is ready. And now I want to change color this part. Click this tool. Choose metal. Choose aluminum. Click this. No, maybe this. OK. See, make this part is so easy. I think it's the end tutorial, and I hope you understand about this tutorial and like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.